Hi! So we are approaching the finals of our video course about the cryptocurrency trading. We have discussed various topics, the terminology, demo trading and protection of your profile. And now it's time to discuss the methods of depositing and withdrawal of your funds from BTC-Alpha platform. In the previous video, we figured out how to buy cryptocurrencies directly from your bank card using our partner processing system Mercurial. And now it's time to learn about the other methods of depositing and withdrawal of funds. While depositing and withdrawing funds, do not forget about two important points. Depositing and withdrawal of funds involves commissions, so do not worry that your amount will be slightly different. The second point is that minimum deposit and withdrawal limit and also order execution sum is $5. So if you do not have this money on your balance, you will not be able to conduct any trade. As for the main methods of depositing and withdrawing of funds, BTC-Alpha works with such partner payment systems: Advanced Cash, Payeer, Nix Money and Perfect Money. You can also use online exchangers which work directly with bank payments, but you need to consider about the fees that they have for conducting the operation. As always, your homework. This time you need to make a deposit or withdrawal of funds not less than $5. If you have any questions, ask them in our Telegram chat.